Hey, baddies and buddies, it's Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, here to show you how to purchase. Um, what's this coin that I'm looking at? Let me see. We are going to purchase Koinos with ticker symbol coin, KOIN, on the Coinbase wallet. So we're going to go to the wallet and let me get you back to the home screen. So you see at the bottom left, this is the home screen. And again, as a tip, you want to make sure your coins that you are holding as your long-term portfolio stay on a cold wallet. So you can use, I like Ledger Nano. My husband has, oh gosh, I forget the name of the one he has, but I have Ledger Nano. So on the wallets, the hot wallets, I just have coins that I am trading and moving quickly. Okay, so my long-term assets, I do not keep in a hot wallet. They stay in a cold wallet. So here we go. On the bottom left, you see your home screen. At the top right-hand side, there's a message box, a QR code, and then the magnifying glass. So we click on that magnifying glass, and then we're going to type in KOIN, if my fingers work correctly, to search for the coin we're looking for. Okay, and you see it does not pop up right away. We're going to scroll down until we find it. And you will see it's right here. Now it's at the top. So we had to scroll through quite a few coins to get there. And when you look at it, it has the purple logo on the left-hand side, but right next to it, that tiny little circle tells you what network it's on or what blockchain it's on. And that is the symbol for Ethereum. So now you know that it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, on my video that I did before showing you how to search coins, I did all that first. This is just showing you how to buy the coin. So first you have to research where the coin is, then you have to go to that particular wallet to buy the coin. So we're going to click on coin, KOIN, and you have several options in the middle section. You have the buy option, which is highlighted. Send right below it with the arrow pointing up is not highlighted because I don't have any of those coins. Swap is an option. Receive is an option if someone is sending you those coins or you're sending it from one of your other wallets to place it on this wallet. It will give you the ability to receive coins. And bridge is not an option. Text send is not an option. Share, which is allowing you to share information about this coin to someone else. So we are going to go to, let me see which one I'm going to try. Let me see swap. Swap is giving you the ability, nope, not going to do swap because I don't have any available Ethereum. See, we need the Ethereum there it's on the Ethereum blockchain based on the tiny purple circle on the bottom right-hand side of the logo. And they're both on the Ethereum network, but I don't have any available Ethereum on here. So let me click buy. All right, buy is telling me I can pay with USD from my Coinbase wallet. My Coinbase wallet is already connected. And it's saying up to $27.20 on Coinbase. I don't think that's going to be enough. Let me see. Up here at the top, it's automatically put in $50. Let me try 20. Saying you don't have enough funds in your USD balance to buy. Let me hit the red message up top.